Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we getting all bomb today. We getting popping, like we real cute. Okay, like you see, I'm real happy. Okay, so this is real cute. I like this. Okay, this look I had thought of in my head and came out perfect. All right, so we are good today. Okay, and yes, we got glitter. Okay, okay. So we're gonna jump right to this tutorial. And don't forget to follow all my social media. Link down below. Okay. And hit the subscribe button, because if you're not, I mean, you see this, right? So you missing out. Okay, turn notifications and share, like, leave some comments, some hearts, or whatever. If you like this as much as I do, okay, leave me some hearts, because it's just right at you. All right, and it's like, yes girl, you did that. That's exactly what this is. Okay, but I'm gonna stop talking and we'll get to this look. Okay, so got the concealer down, Jlarue concealer in the shade Warm Honey. Got it powder down, catch the fallout. And I did put some under here at my mouth area, because for some reason I always find myself when I get done wiping off my powder, did I be having like shadow down here? How does that happen? I don't know. So I put some powder down there. Hopefully that helped. Okay. And I think I know what we doing. Hopefully, right? So the first palette we're going to take is this Beaute Flair palette, and we're going to take Forest Pine, which is their turquoise right there. So I know the first time I reviewed this palette, I was like, it's okay. And I still think it's okay. It's just like I like to use these palettes for my crease colors. It's like they don't layer with each other for some reason. Why, I have no idea. Okay. And we are working backwards. The method I hate, but I have to right now. Okay. So just gonna tap and blend. And I find it a little easier, instead of just like tapping all around my eye first like I usually do. I just go in and tap and blend all at the same time. And I don't know why I stopped using Jlarue Pro Concealer. I guess because I don't know, I guess I got a little bit more advanced, so I started using new stuff, but it's really good. Like, I've been using all my shadows lately, and for my highlight, it's still bomb. Okay, so for next one, we'll go into the September Rose palette. We're going to take orange soda. Orange soda. Okay. I hope this will come out right the way I want it to. Okay. So I'm going to take and tap. Oh, Sammy came to my city on Sunday. I was so upset I didn't get to go. And they is so wrong for not adding him to the Millennium Tour. Like, who asked to see Bobby Valentino and EA Twins? I know we did not ask for that. They need to stop playing whatever they doing, be hater. I don't know, but put Sammy on that tour, okay? Thank you. I'm just like, are y'all serious? Really? And I don't know why they have Bow Wow on there. Chris Brown, Soulja Boy with his ignorant self. Like, come on now. They missing the whole with people. Really. Like, whatever. But I cannot wait for this flame tour though. Because I just want to see Piece of K and Pretty Ricky and Lil. Okay. So I can lose my voice singing my little heart out there. Okay, so I guess this is pigment as that's going to it. I'm gonna go back in with turquoise to blend it into the orange. Okay, so I managed to squeeze another color between the orange and the turquoise. So I'm taking pink lemonade. We're gonna blend it in there. And you gotta do this very lightly, like very lightly, and really go section by section to get in there so you know you can still have your color layers, alright? And I'm using the Real Techniques, what's this, Space Shadow Brush. Okay, and I'm going to take a really tiny brush. I got this brush from Amazon. It came in a set. And we're just going to kind of tap a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to go back into that orange a little bit to blend this. Okay, and this is why I do not like doing the backwards method, because it's like I can't really get my colors to blend the way they want to, and also I think my eyes are like two different shapes as far as sizes go. So yeah, like this side I didn't really have any problems, but over here it's like a little bit of a struggle. Okay. Okay, so I just took, well, you about to see what I'm gonna do, but I just smoked out the end over here, okay, and added two different glitters. All right, I told you we're gonna get back to the glitter looks in there, so we go there. All right. And then I'm gonna take this Inglot 94 and kind of, so this whole little method is supposed to make your glitters pop more, I guess, or maybe it's just the base for it. I don't know. Who is that? Beauty by Melissa and Shirley Beats on Instagram. Both of them do this. I tried it. Like, I see a little bit of difference, but not a whole lot. But I ain't know they live with it either, so they may be doing something that I'm not doing. I don't know. Okay, so for the glitter, we're going to take two different colors. And both is from Touch of Fancy Cosmetics. Look like this one. At the top is like a goldish silver almost. And then the one at the bottom is like pink and purple and some more colors. Okay, so go put this little silver goldish one down first at the beginning. And I am taking a darker pink glitter, just kind of putting it at the end. Whew. I be doing the absolute most when it comes to my looks, but I love it though. I feel like when I be doing them little simple looks, like they be cute sometimes, but the inner me, the real me be feeling so naked. Like, sis, what you doing? Okay. Be extra, okay? Like, I can't help it. It's just who I am. Okay, so I'm just taking basically smoke out my waterline with all the same colors that's up here. Because he looks so cute.